In this video, I am deep jungle village, witness how Filipinos cook traditional way lechon. Come, join us. What is this?
It's rice.
And why is it like this way?
They need to put it under the sand to make it hard. So when they doing like traditionally peeling the rice, it's not gonna be like powder.
This is the reason why we need to wash rice, because it's dirt maybe and stuff like that.
Yes. That's why the Basque can come to our village because
This is
that
destroyed.
bridge, yeah, that bridge.
Let's look the closer.
Typhoon made this.
Really?
Yeah, that's why.
Wow.
It's actually pretty cool here.
You mean a couple weeks ago, Typhoon what was here and destroyed all bridge,
Yeah.
and no cars can go anymore. Your mother's and father's town.
Yeah. Yeah, the waterfall is too high and so strong here. That's why.
And this happened like Philippines, like all time.
Not all the time.
This was like big one. Typhoon.
Yeah.
We go market.
It's called market, but it's closed at the moment. Here's the small market here.
Okay.
Yeah. And maybe we need to look another place.
Okay. There is some market.
Last year when I came here, I was riding a motorcycle with my dad and my mom, and suddenly the snake came from nowhere and trying to bite my mom's legs. And my mom was like, here, over here, yeah.
After killing the pig, they use hot water. This hot water makes it easier to remove hair from the body. Bamboo stick must be very strong without any damage. Not easy at all. It takes 5 men to do the job. And they do every day in the sun.
Yes, they're doing it like twice a day, morning and evening.
Mm.
Yeah. It's actually popular here. They don't drink hard drinks, they don't buy some beers. They just do it by their own like that way. Sometimes it's dangerous to go like that because some snake sometimes living there at the top of the coconut.
And they going even when it's storm outside doing this work.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yun, no?